Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Mechkeeb Wooden Wrist Rest. This is going to be a mouse wrist rest that you can currently get on Amazon for about $15. This is going to be their walnut color. I'll leave a link below for where you can purchase this on Amazon, but it comes in walnut as well as this beach color. What we'll do in this video is basically just take this out of the packaging and show you what it looks like, and I'll give you a sense of the ergonomics there. Additionally, I did want to discuss or kind of highlight that I did do a review on the Faluber walnut keyboard wrist rest, so check that one out as well. But that's a nice, very nice walnut wrist rest for a keyboard. It fits extremely well with my Keychron K4, which is this keyboard right here. But we'll take a look at this and show you what it looks like. Okay, so before we open this up, this is what the Faluber wrist rest looks like. You can take a look at the link below as well as for this, but it's basically a solid walnut construction, very smooth surface, has a curved design here so it's ergonomic, and then actually has silicone like non-slip pads across the sides here. Works very well with the Keychron K4 as far as the fit, so definitely worth the price. No regrets with that purchase, but you can check out that video. And then we'll open up the Mechkeeb wrist rest now. But basically it's going to be similar construction, should be a walnut design, so this is what it looks like. Walnut design, it actually has a curved slot here where your wrist can actually sit across, and it's actually angled upwards too. The whole surface is smooth as far as that, well sanded as far as the finish, no rough edges there, and pretty much matches the Mechkeeb, so it's a very similar color pattern there, which is a nice design. I was worried that maybe the color might be different. As far as the size, it definitely fits wrist really well. And then on the bottom here, there are non-slip pads in 4 separate locations, no other branding or labeling, which a lot of times I like that. But that's what it looks like. Now with the mouse pad, this is what it looks like here next to it. And overall, a nice design, good against the wrist. I've never actually used a mouse pad, but it's better for ergonomics as far as preventing carpal tunnel. So my hope is that with this combination, I'll limit that long term with ongoing computer use. But as you can see, side by side, they look very good. A good way to accent your desk and combine it as using kind of like for ergonomic purposes as well. But this is only $15 on Amazon. They have it in this color as well as a like lighter beach color. I personally prefer the walnut, so I really like the color, but that's all I have for this video. So thank you for watching and have a great day.